Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Developer. In my last video, I have shown you how you can use the custom constraint validation to validate your request body with a DB constraint. So in this video, we will continue towards other related constraints which we have used in the skill class, and after that our post mapping related REST API will be completed. Then further we will move towards the put mapping, and I will explain you that how you can validate that put mapping also. So let's start. So as you can see that we have the skill form and a skilled domain. In the skill domain, you can see here that in the field the skill name we have already fixed or validated the nullable unique constraint. Means these two constraints have been validated till now in the skill form or skill request form request body. Now I have only left this length constraint that need to be validated, so that each and everything related to that skill domain can be validated at once at the means in the request body, and uh, it will help us to save inside the database without any problem. So for that, what you need to do, you need to use the length, add the length annotation which of the Hibernate validator constraint, and in which you need to give the maximum length or the length which is required here, that is 100. So I will say the maximum value of the string should be 100, and then I need to pass the message. For that message, as we already know that we are going to use the validation messages class, here we will create a constant public static final string or skill name invalid length skill dot name dot invalid dot length. So now we will use this key and copy this and paste in the validation message underscore en properties, and we will create a message here for that key. So we will say that skill length must not be more than 100. Just save it, save here also, and then in the skill form we will use the inside the message attribute we will use validation message dot skill name invalid length. And for that, as you already know that the use of groups is very important in the validation part, so I need to create a group for that. So go to the package of annotation package in your src, and then inside the group we need to create a group for that. So we will create an interface, and I will give it a name as a length group. And inside the sequence, validation sequence, I need to add this group after the not null group, because first we will check for the null, empty and blank, then we will check for the length of the name or field, then after we will continue towards the DB constraint. So let's add the latest group which we have, that is a length group dot class. And in the skill form we have to add a group attribute in your annotation, and the group name will be the given one, that is the length group.java, means sorry, the class. So this is our length annotation which will be used for your length of a string or a field which is related to the string. And so now let's check that it is working or not. Let's start the application. Let me open the Postman. Let's open the Postman. It is taking time, guys. So now we have ready the Postman. Let's create the sum skill first, so that we can validate that without any restriction, or if I give the valid part, it does not create any problem. So let's send the request, and we can see that our skill has been generated. Now uh, let me add it and give the length of this to the more than 100. So just let me take the shortcut for duplicating the string. I am using the online tool to duplicate the string. And the repetition option should be 100. Let me check the length of that. I think it will be helpful. Let me check. Let's copy this here and paste it here, and let's check that it is accepting or not. So you can see that the length of the string or skill name is more than 100. That's why it is giving me a validation error that the skill name must not be more than 100. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Hope this video will help you to know that how you can validate the string length in your request body instead of doing the same thing in the service layer. So thank you for watching this video, and please kindly subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel, and if you are already a subscriber and not getting the notification, please don't forget to click on the bell icon for the continuous notification. So we will continue our series related to the put mapping in the next videos. So bye for now. Take care.